In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple payment for Traveljoy. By the end, you'll know how to build a clear deposit, add installments, and set a final balance so your client can pay online with confidence. Start by opening the client proposal you want to update. Log into your Traveljoy account, head to the client's area, select the client you're working with, and open the proposal you'd like to edit. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct proposal for the trip you're managing so the schedule you create applies to the right booking. Inside the proposal, scroll to the pricing and payment section. Click Edit Pricing, then choose Add Payment or Add Installment. Both options let you build out a schedule. Use whichever wording you prefer as you're adding each entry. Create the first payment as a deposit. Enter the amount, like a $500 deposit, choose the due date, and add a clear label such as non-refundable deposit. If this deposit must be paid before the booking is confirmed, turn on the option that requires payment before confirmation. Clear labels help your client understand what they're paying for and reduce back and forth later. When everything looks good, click Save. Next, add your additional installments by repeating that process. Click Add Another Payment, set the amount, choose the due date, and give it a label like second installment or third installment. You can create 2 payments, 3 payments, or even 5 or more if that suits your itinerary and supplier deadlines. As you plan dates, aim for consistent spacing, avoid holiday weekends when banks may delay processing, and use labels that match what your invoice or supplier documents will show. It's also helpful to glance at a calendar to ensure due dates don't land after your final balance deadline. Add the final balance once your installments are in place. Set the remaining amount, choose a final due date, often 30 to 45 days before travel, and label it Final Payment. Before moving on, quickly confirm that the deposit, installments, and final payment add up to the total trip price. Before sending the proposal, enable online payments. Go to Settings, connect your payment processor such as Stripe or another supported gateway, and make sure Allow Online Payments is turned on. With this enabled, your client can pay each installment online, see upcoming deadlines, and receive automatic reminders without you having to chase payments manually. That's it. Your multi-payment schedule is ready to go and easy for clients to follow.